today. Creativity is what gives businesses the competitive edge. But as an organization scales, its brand needs to stretch across more people, products, and platforms than ever before. Keeping it consistent is a big challenge. I've seen this with my own eyes. The Canva brand is crafted by a team of around 120 creative specialists, but used by over 5,000 Canvanauts across the globe. Without the right tools, the brand can go rogue. And too often, the responsibility falls on one team, the in-house brand team. They're pulled into endless requests. Oh, can you just tweak this, fix this? Can you make this one more on brand? This creates costly bottlenecks, and it pulls their time away from the big picture creative thinking that really moves a brand forward. So today, we're changing that. Because brand management shouldn't be about control. It should be about confidence. Confidence that every team in every market can create on brand with ease. That's the future you've been asking for. So, let's grant your wishes, shall we? Introducing the new Canva brand system. The most powerful way to manage your brand at scale. Building on the success of brand kits, the new brand system is even more powerful because it's connected right across Canva and powered by AI. Let's show you how it works with the Pinterest brand. First, you can use AI to do the heavy lifting by building your brand kit with fonts, colors, guidelines, and brand voice all in the right place. Next, create a brand kit homepage where everything lives together. Visual tiles keep everything beautifully organized, customizable, and easy to navigate. So every team can find what they need fast and stay on brand. Your brand guidelines and tips live right where you work. Access your brand kit and clear, in-context brand guidance while designing in the editor. No tab switching needed. And now, Canva AI also understands your brand. Just attach your brand kit when generating a new design, and your first draft automatically reflects your fonts, colors, tone, and style, so every design starts perfectly on brand. We've already put these tools into the hands of some of the world's biggest brands who are scaling their brands across thousands of people, like Walmart, who use Canva's brand system to keep their brand consistent across the entire company, from the marketing department to the talent team. And Virgin Voyages Cruise Line, who use brand system to create social content to promote their trips and drive bookings. So, that's brand system. Supporting your whole organization to create at scale.